Welcome to Gyan Race. In this video, we will learn what is cloud computing, how we can use it. We all are surrounded by web world. Knowingly, unknowingly, we all are using cloud computing in our daily life. Let's see how it works and what it is. Well, cloud computing is an on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet with various options like scale on demand basis, pay as you go, or use price. Well, instead of buying, owning and maintaining physical data center and servers, one can easily access technology services such as computer power, storage, databases on an need basis from an cloud provider. In simple world, we do have our data, our resources, our machines on cloud, or where we are not bothered about the infrastructure, machine power, computing mechanism, hardware analysis and so on. Instead of that, we are simply using those services and pay it as per our consumption. On one click, one can easily access all those resources and services on demand basis. Isn't it very easy to understand what is cloud computing? Well, now let's see one healthy example which will make our concepts more clear. Best of the example which I do see is the Google. Google does provide us a platform to watch various enormous of videos, images, upload and download. However, we can do some trainings with the help of Google Meet in terms of presentation, documentation and so on. How does it work? Google has its own cloud computing platform wherein they are posting, deploying all those artifacts and events for their end users. With the help of one URL, everyone is able to access all those services, irrespective to any device like desktop, laptops, mobile phones and so on. On one click, we have a solution altogether. It is easy to scale, use, and we do not need to be bothered for the back-end system how it's working. Well, in 3-minute time period, we learned what is cloud computing with a nice example. So, cloud computing has two stuff. One is the deployment model, where this cloud can be deployed and how it can be used. Second one is a service model, or you can say a such type of services cloud computing does provide. We will have a separate session in detail how does this model works along with some handy examples. And we will also learn in our further tutorials how can we use cloud computing and who is using as a major service provider right in this current world. Thank you.